Hi TBF families, my name is Michelle and I am an intern with Autism Tree project, and today I'm going to be reading Baby Paleontologist. Who studies fossils? Baby paleontologists do. Every fossil tells a story. Fossils tell the stories of plants and animals that lived long ago. A shell can be a fossil. A footprint can be a fossil. A bone can be a fossil. Baby paleontologist studies each fossil. Which animal did each one come from? Everybody can see fossils in museums. These animals lived on Earth a long time ago. Fossils help us imagine their lives. Baby likes to fish in the river. What type of fish lived long ago? Baby paleontologist looks at fossils to find out. The little fossils. Baby chases butterflies in the park. What kind of insects lived long ago? Baby paleontologist examines fossils to find out. Baby has fun putting together puzzles. What did this dinosaur look like? Baby paleontologist put the bones together just like a puzzle. At the dig site, baby paleontologist uses a pickaxe and a rock hammer. Back in the lab, he uses small picks and brushes very, very carefully. Look, the baby dinosaur had 4 teeth. Every fossil has a story to tell, and so does every grandpa. Thank you for watching. Bye.